I drifted away. Wave.
Of the town, looking for that customer whose car is broken down. Spot the car on a side street, turn on my flashing lights. But there's an angry bunch of college boys and they're looking for a fight. They say, "Hey, Mr. Tow Truck Driver, you think you're cool, but we're telling you the job you do is really pretty cruel." And I said, "Hey now boys, leave me alone. I don't need your attitude, I've got one of my own." Yes, I do. to tow. So I freeze my ass off pumping gas for people on the go. One of them's this pretty girl and she's looking at me strange. She says, as I'm handing her her change, I drive a tow truck but today I'm pumping gas. Later on tonight I'm playing bass with smoking grass. Down there wherever we are the place is gonna rage. I'll be singing about my tow truck when I'm standing on the stage.